Hi, I'm Kate Berkeley with Legacy 100 Real Estate. I've been a real estate agent for about 10 years, and prior to that I was in the building materials industry for about a decade. So I know all of the products that go into a residential home. I was born and raised in Colorado, so I know the areas around Denver, I know the suburbs. I can help you find the correct neighborhood or the right neighborhood that fits the best of your needs. A little bit about how I approach my business. I get to know you and what you're looking to accomplish, so I can help guide you to an informed decision in your transaction. I have a network of professionals behind me, so whether it's an inspector, a structural engineer, or someone else that may come up as a need in the transaction, I can recommend someone who I trust. So if you're looking for an experienced real estate agent, don't wait, call Kate.